Hello everyone, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking out this Apple smartwatch charger. So let's go ahead and open this up. Alright guys, so we got our Apple smartwatch right here. This is your charging pad. So it is a Type-C charging end. So you plug this into any Type-C port and this will charge your device. So what you want to do for this is they give you this little suction cup. You put that on the bottom and you press and hold. And now this allows you to put the suction cup on a table or somewhere. All right, guys. So as you can see, if we stick it under here, it is charging our device. So it just sticks like that. It's magnetic and it instantly starts charging. So it does work. You guys can put it anywhere you want. You get this extremely long cable, so you can put it basically anywhere. So overall, guys, works.